Hi, you can perform start-stop of a single HANA system or in multiple container system using SAP HANA Studio. But keep in mind that all the tenant databases which have been stopped individually should start separately in HANA Studio. Now, you need to stop and start a HANA system in certain scenarios when you have to make certain configuration changes, maintenance of HANA environment, patch upgrade or some similar scenarios. In such cases, you need to stop and start the HANA system. Let us go to the HANA system and see how to start and stop a HANA system.
In this tutorial, we will discuss how we can start and stop the HANA system. So first of all, to perform the start or stop of a single SAP HANA system or in the multiple container system, we can use SAP HANA Studio. So all the tenant databases which are stopped individually has to start separately in HANA Studio. So this is my SAP HANA Studio and this is the SAP HANA system we have. So stopping a system is required in certain scenarios when you have to make certain configuration changes, maintenance, patch upgrade or other scenarios. So first of all, let's log into the SAP HANA system. So we will right click this system. After that, we'll click on log on and we will enter the password of this user. So once we will log into the system, let's see how we can see the option of starting a system. So if we right click the system and after that if we go to the configuration and monitoring, so inside that we have the option of start system. So why it is disabled right now? Because this system is already in the start mode. So similarly we have the option of stopping the system. So how we can do that is, like, let's say if I click on the stop system. So once we click on the stop system, we have the options of soft shutdown or the hard shutdown. So what does that mean? So my soft shutdown means that it will stop the system, but it will first run the statement finish executing. After the specified timeout, the system is hard stopped. So here we will be specified that after this date and time, after that the system will be hard stopped, but before that it will stop executing the statements. And the other option of the shutdown is the hard shutdown. So in this it will stop the system immediately. All the open transactions will be aborted and rolled back. So these are the two options of stopping the system. Either we can use the soft shutdown or we can use the hard shutdown. And we can also start and stop the system from HANA cockpit. So if in HANA cockpit, if we go to the SAP HANA database administration, and inside that we have SAP HANA cockpit for offline administration. So if we go inside that, so from there as well we can do the start and stop of the SAP HANA system. So in this tutorial we have discussed how we can start or stop the SAP HANA system, and after that what are the two different options of stopping. That is, either we can go for the hard shutdown or we can go for the hard and the soft shutdown. Thank you.